All right, scientists, welcome back to part 2 of your instructions. So let's just review part 1. You went to a blank slide, you added your name. You found a video on YouTube that's related to one of these fields of science. You have added it to your slide. Then you have added 2 questions for other students to answer. So those were the 4 things I asked you to do, and you're back now, so I'm assuming you've done them. So now we're going to move on to these last 2 parts. For step 5, what I want you to do is go in and watch the video and answer the questions that other students have posted. And I want you to do this with 2 other slides. Now, if you're one of the very first people to add your slides, you may have to wait a little bit and give other students a chance to catch up. So you might need to give it a day and come back and look for new slides. Try not to add, maybe just 2 people. Once or 2 people have already added to a slide, maybe pick a new one because we don't want everyone adding or answering the questions on the same slides. So what you're going to do is you're going to scroll through the slideshow and you're just going to find a slide that maybe only no one or one other person has commented on. And you're going to answer the questions. And here's how you're going to do that. So you can see I added this slide as an example. And it says, what is something you learned about viruses? That would be something I learned watching the video. So if I wanted to answer that question, what I would do is go up here and hit insert. And then I would you highlighted the box and then go up and hit insert and then you can add comment. And so then the answer to that would be, this is where I would type my answer. So what is something I learned about viruses? That they come in different sizes. Okay. And when I'm happy with that answer, I'll hit comment and you can see it posted. Now, if you look over here at the side, you can see, oh, this slide already has 1 comment on it. So then if I was going to answer this question, what is one thing all viruses have in common? Again, I would go up, I would hit insert, comment, and then I would respond. And then once I did, I would say they all have genetic material. And then I would comment, okay? And then now you can see this slide has 2. So once a slide gets to 4 comments, maybe let's leave that one and maybe try and find one that hasn't had any comments on it yet. Okay, so now you have completed step 5, which is to answer 2 questions. I want you guys go do that right now and then come back and watch the rest of this video on how to turn stuff in, because that's a whole nother step. So I'm going to pause the video for a second. You guys go do that and then come back when you're done.